Today we're going to change the governor pressure sensor transducer and solenoid for a 2000 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. It's a couple error codes you get with this, or you get a check engine. You can also have problems shifting out of first gear. And if you're going to be doing your changing your transmission fluid and filter, and you're about 120,000 miles, you may want to consider just changing this out, because I changed my fluid a couple months ago and now I got to dump it all out again. So next we're going to pull the pan off the transmission. There's 1/2-inch bolts that are located all around, and there's always one that's in a hidden spot, and that's this one here. So I would do that one first by a wrench, and then take a socket, remove the others, and drain it like you typically would into a pan. Alright, now we got our pan off, and this is our filter. So if you're going to change it out, just two, I believe, are Torx in here for removing it. This is where our parts are to replace the sensor and a solenoid. They're held on by a couple screws here, and there's a couple Torx. This plate will come off, and the pieces, this will just hang down. So I'll show you that in a minute. And then also, when your pan's removed, you look in here, you have a washer, and that's to pick up all the metal filings or whatever. So you want to make sure you pull that out and clean it. Alright, so I got my bolts out. The Torx are T25s, and the bolts are 11mm. And after you remove them, basically just the solenoid just pops out like that, and your plate works as a clip to hold that in, and then your sensor, and they just pop out like that. So we'll pop the others back in and go from there. Today you can see we got our new parts into place, and now the disconnect is clean. You see the red tab on the sensor. That you actually push the tab in this direction, then you can lift the connector off. For the one on the solenoid has a little locking tab. You'll see it when you pull it out. Or actually, let me show you on this. You'd see the little tab there, and that you just kind of lift up to pull out. So I'm going to put my pan back on and drive, and well, fill with fluid, of course, and that should do it. Like I said, if you were doing your filter too, these are two Torx in there, and there you have it.